Why is this boy sleeping? And the customer is waiting. Get up, Bumbles. Why are you sleeping? Get up.
I didn't sleep last night. Grandma tell the customer come back tomorrow. Come back.
Little boy, get up and do your work, okay?
Okay, Grandma, give me 10 minutes. So a customer bought an iPhone 12 to replace the screen. They say the phone fell, and the screen was in a very bad condition. So we changed the screen, put in a new screen. Here you see I am screwing it down, putting back the phone together. And after we're done testing, it works perfect.
Transformers Electronics.